Still spending hours editing videos, jumping between scripts, stock footage, voiceovers, and timelines that never end? Most video tools give you features, but what if you could just type what you want and the video creates itself? In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works and whether it can actually replace traditional video editing. All right, first things first, let's get you set up. I'll drop a link in the description so you can follow along. Once you're in there, you'll need to create a free account. It's quick, just enter your email, pick a password, and you're good to go. Once you log in, this is what you'll see on the main dashboard. Right here, you have two main areas, AI videos and agents and models. We'll start with AI videos, since that's where most of the magic happens. All right, so now that we're logged into InVideo AI, the first thing you're gonna notice at the very top of the dashboard is this model selection menu. InVideo AI actually gives you a few different AI models to choose from, but my recommendation is always go with the latest version. Right now, that's model 4.0, and there's a reason for that. It's the most advanced model they offer, which means your videos are going to look cleaner, the narration will sound more natural, and the AI is better at understanding the context of your script or prompt. Basically, it makes the difference between a video that looks like it was thrown together in 5 minutes and one that feels polished, professional, and engaging. Once you've selected your model, right underneath it, you'll see a large text box. This is where you type in your idea for the video. And this is really flexible because you're not just limited to typing a title. You can type a full description of the video you want, a script you've already written, or even just a list of ideas that the AI can turn into something cohesive. For example, if you want to make a video explaining a concept, you can type something like, I want a 3-minute explainer video on how renewable energy works, targeting beginners with light humor and engaging visuals. The AI takes all of that and starts creating something that's much closer to what you envisioned. Here's a really cool part. You can also include a language preference right here in the prompt. So if your audience is international, you're in luck. You can tell the AI to make your video in Spanish, German, Hindi, or any supported language. And it will adjust both the narration and subtitles automatically. This makes it so much easier to create multilingual content without having to record multiple voiceovers or manually translate subtitles. AI twins. Next up, let's talk about AI twins. This is a feature I love because it's like creating your own little AI persona. Basically, you can have an AI that speaks in your style or tone, even if you're not on camera. Personally, I use this when I want to produce content quickly. For example, maybe I want to make a 2-minute explainer without showing my face, but I still want to feel like I'm talking directly to the audience. AI Twins makes that possible. You can even customize the voice and personality and delivery style, which adds a really personal touch to your videos. Workflows. Before AI Twins, you'll notice a ton of presets and templates. These are ready-made structures for your videos that save a lot of time. My favorite is workflows. Workflows are basically pre-built video templates that you can tweak instead of starting from scratch. They're perfect for almost anything. Explainer videos, social media ads, tutorials, or short clips for TikTok and Instagram. Using workflows is a huge time saver, especially if you're producing multiple videos a week. You don't have to worry about formatting, pacing, or style. It's already set up for you. Explore section. Over on the right side, there's the Explore section. This part is like a goldmine of inspiration. It shows trending prompts, popular video ideas, and concepts that are performing well on various platforms. Honestly, it saves you from spending hours guessing what might work. For example, you might see a trending ad concept, a viral video format, or a topic that's getting a lot of engagement in your niche. You can take that idea, customize it for your own content, which is a huge shortcut to keeping your videos relevant and engaging. Creating video. All right, now let's actually create a video. For this example, I want to make a fun explainer video about learning to drive a car. First, I type my topic into the prompt box. You can also add extra details here, like what kind of tone I want, whether it should be lighthearted, serious, or humorous, and any specific points I want covered. If I don't already have a script, I like to use ChatGPT to help generate one. For instance, I asked ChatGPT for 10 practical tips for learning to fly a plane. Once I had the list, copied and pasted it straight into the prompt box in InVideo AI. This is a great workflow because it saves time and ensures your video has a logical flow and useful content. Next up, pick your background music. This is a small step, but super important because the right music helps you go a long way, because the right music sets the mood for your video. For our car driving example, I chose something slow and relaxing. Something that makes video feel calm and informative, which is perfect for someone learning something new. You can also go upbeat or energetic if you're making a motivational video or a short social media clip. Finally, fill in the rest of the settings. Choose a voice for narration, enable subtitles if you want them, pick the format, vertical for social media, horizontal for YouTube, and hit generate. And just like that, InVideo AI starts pulling everything together. Creates the voiceover, matches stock footage, syncs the subtitles, and basically produces a full video ready for review. Honestly, it's one of the easiest ways I've ever seen to turn a simple idea into a fully polished video, without needing to hire editors, record multiple takes, or spend hours cutting clips. And the best part, you can tweak it after it's generated if something doesn't feel quite right. Shorter videos and ad. Now, let's say you want something shorter, like a 30-second Instagram ad. No problem. Select the ad workflow, set the duration, pace, and platform. Type in your product or topic, let's say a fragrance bottle called Nasumato. You can pick background music, voice subtitles, whether you want stock or fully AI-generated clips. Click Generate. And in a few minutes, you have a cinematic, high-quality ad ready to go. You can even add your logo if you want, or remove watermarks for a clean, professional look. Editing video. Now, when it comes to editing your current content, InVideo AI is really helpful. If you want to tweak your video, click the Edit button. You can update the script, replace clips, change background music, or just subtitle. You can even add subtitles to highlight each word as it's spoken. Just type a command in the text box, click Generate, and the AI updates it automatically. InVideo AI also allows you to change the language of the video later on. Just convert the entire script and voiceover to German, Spanish, or any supported languages. If you like, you can even go deeper with the timeline editor. This lets you manipulate clips, add extra images or video, adjust transitions, and tweak properties for a full video editor inside InVideo AI. But the cool thing is, most of the time, you don't even need it. The AI does such a good job that your first draft is usually already very close to final. Agents and models. Over in the Agents and Models section, you can pick from multiple AI models for video and image generation, like Sora 2 Pro or Google VO 3.1. For example, you can generate images with one model, clean them up with another, and then use them in your video. This gives you full flexibility without ever leaving the platform. Voice cloning. Another neat feature is voice cloning. You can record yourself for 30+ seconds, upload it, and then the AI uses your voice for narration. This makes your video feel personal without needing to record a new voiceover for every project. If you want to clone your voice, the built-in AI voices are also very high quality. Exporting. Once your video looks good, click Export. You can publish directly to YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, download for offline use, adjust quality or remove watermarks if you're on a premium plan. Premium plans also give you access to more stock footage, higher quality models, and voice cloning. So that's InVideo AI in action. You can make full-length YouTube videos, quick ads, multilingual content, all in one platform. If you want to keep things professional without a huge editing workflow, InVideo AI is definitely worth trying. I've left a link in the description so you can sign up. And if you want, start experimenting with some of the workflows we covered today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.